Hi, I'm Dr. Jordan Sand with Sand Plastic Surgery, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how to choose a plastic surgeon near you. What are the key things to look for when choosing a plastic surgeon? Essentially, there are five main things to look for. One would be board certification, two would be experience and specialization, three would be the before and after photos, four would be the reviews and testimonials, and then number five would be your consultation with that doctor. So, number one, why does board certification matter? It's important when you're choosing a facial plastic surgeon because there are several boards out there, and specifically, you want to look for people that are double board certified, meaning that they're certified by either the American Board of Head and Neck Surgery or the American Board of Plastic Surgery, and also the American Board of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, which is its own separate board. When you're looking for doctors with these credentials, you can go to the American Board of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery website, and you can type in your location, and you can find which doctors have been certified by that board and whether they have any disciplinary actions or anything like that against them. I do think it is important when you're searching for a doctor to check to see what type of board certification that they hold, because a lot of doctors will advertise themselves as something that they're not actually certified as. Number two, experience and specialization. How does a surgeon's experience in the specific procedure impact results? If you're seeing a surgeon and they've only done two of that operation versus somebody who's done 200, they're definitely going to have more experience with that procedure. And so if you choose a specialist in facial plastic surgery, that person, for example, rhinoplasty, will have done thousands of those versus a person who maybe did a general surgery training who is willing to do your rhinoplasty, but perhaps has only done a handful. Before and after photos, and this sort of speaks to the surgeon's experience. You can take a look at the before and after portfolio that the surgeon has either on their social media or on the internet, and you can get an understanding for their skill, for their aesthetic style, and you can get an idea of the conversation probably that the patient and the doctor had in terms of how they achieved that result. Reviews and testimonials. So these are helpful just in terms of seeing what people's experience are with that physician's office. You can look through Google or look on the website for that doctor and see what kind of experience they had with that physician, how they feel about their experience. And those are very helpful to provide a guide as to how your experience might be. But the number one thing, and I think the most important thing, is the consultation. Once you've reviewed the doctor and looked at their website, looked at their befores and afters, their training, their reviews, next you want to make a connection with that person in order to make sure that you want them to be the person that's operating on you. And what makes a great consultation experience, I think it's a human connection that people have with their surgeon, which extends beyond just what you saw on the internet, but how they're going to guide you through the experience, how experience with the doctor and with the office is going to be. And then that's going to be determined in an in-person evaluation. And I do think that questions you should ask during the consultation would be, have you experienced or done what I'm asking for other types of patients? Can we take a look at your befores and afters together? If it's a rhinoplasty, can we perform some image simulations to see what you think the result might be, which can help guide the outcome and provide reasonable expectations. As far as what we do, I'm double board certified in facial plastic surgery, and we specialize in rhinoplasty and facial rejuvenation, hair restoration, and also minimally invasive procedures. And you can learn more about what we do at sandplasticsurgery.com. Thank you very much.